Can my teeth be white again? Hello and welcome to our dental practice. Today, I would like to discuss the possibility of regaining a brilliant white smile. The truth is, teeth whitening treatments can indeed help you achieve a brighter smile. However, it's essential to understand that not all stains are equal, and the results may vary from person to person. There are several factors that can contribute to discolored teeth. These can include age, tobacco use, excessive consumption of coffee, tea, and red wine, as well as cavities and gum disease. However, it's important to remember that teeth whitening is not a magic solution and cannot fully erase stains that have formed over time. To achieve the best results, we recommend that you consult with our dental professional to evaluate the severity of your stains and develop a customized treatment plan. This may involve a combination of professional whitening sessions and at-home care products, depending on the severity of the discoloration. In some cases, dental veneers or teeth bonding might be recommended as a more permanent solution to improve the appearance of your smile. These procedures are designed to cover and polish the entire surface of a tooth, removing stains and enhancing its overall appearance. In conclusion, teeth whitening can help you achieve a brighter smile. But it's essential to consider the factors that contribute to discolored teeth when planning your treatment. Consulting with a dental professional and following a customized treatment plan can ensure that you achieve the best possible results. Thank you for visiting our dental practice, and we hope this information has been helpful in understanding the possibilities for improving your smile.